at what? In a word, this motor is now knackered. So it's either chassis time or getting Christian to rebuild some serious bits of body. So, shot, 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 pretty much the whole car. So here's the question I pose to you. Would you save or would you scrap her? Well, there's Chicken Pig and in a word scuppered. On a brighter note, the engine's actually running, but it stinks of petrol in here because it pumped it all out of the pump or accumulator or piping or something similar at the back. The idea was to go for a shell. But as Christian and I have found out this last week, there's not many genuine ones out there. The ones we've found have been stood for anything from 10 to 15 years, and other ones have had more work than they're willing to say. Therefore, it looks like the route is going to be work on this one. We've got Christian here, and you probably recognise him from the battery tray video.
Yes.
The best bet is going to be to work on this one, isn't it, rather than a new chassis?
Well, looking at the state that we're in at the moment, trying to find a chassis is quite hard to find.
Well, I didn't expect it to be that. I thought there'd be at least one, and you can see Lindsay's trying to edge out the shot there. Now, these guys are new to this. I mean, Christian is a celebrity on TikTok. You should check out some of his content. It's interesting. And then we've got Annabelle sat here as well. But yeah, the Golf is far worse than we first anticipated.
Yeah, it looks like we're going to have to start cutting back and see if we can find anything fresh to restitch any new panels that we can put together.
It's called
debridement, where you cut back the ick to see what the good stuff is underneath.
Tell you're an ex-nurse. Yeesh. The good thing is we can actually find most of the panels, can't we, online?
The panels are quite easy to find.
You'll likely know that Christian could do this because he brought the Mercedes back from the dead. Because let's face it, the back of that was falling to bits. Yeah, well you did.
Well, it looks like we're going to. The Golf looks like it's a lot worse than what the Mercedes was. So, looking at the Mercedes is probably an easier project than the Golf's going to be.
And that's not what we thought right at the beginning, is it?
No,
we thought this would be far easier.
A lot easier. But after having it up on the ramp and having a look underneath, it's got more holes than a sieve.
Yeah, I shouldn't have left it standing so long, but the thing is, it's like any project car. If something breaks on it, what is going on with the indicators?
There we go, and it's listening to us.
The car is sentient. She wants to live.
Yay!
Chicken Pig is I want to be alive. So Frankenstein's monster style.
The car is obviously Christine.
Yes.
Yeah, Christine the Golf.
I love Stephen King books.
Thing is, it will fire now.
Probably, but when we will pull the fuel.
So we now know that at least the engine's half decent.
At least we know that the engine runs.
Yeah, well there we go.
And no fuel.
Yeah, no, but it did that.
It just shows that a full gallon is synced out.
Yes.
Yeesh.
Oh, that one floor when we came back down the last
Is that camera shine on there?
No.
Well, that's it. It's going to be a long project, this, isn't it?
Long, very long.
But it's going to be worth
We'll get
it.
there. We will.
Yeah.
We'll let it die.
Lovely. Pumping it out. Also, if you need your car restoring, this is what Christian does. So,
Yeah,
Good.
well, not after these ones that Ben keep coming in. I'm thinking of retiring.
well, yeah, I could probably keep you going with my stock of cars for eternity. He's been watching Truth Seekers and wants to take part.
Pristine.
Please pause and stand by for technical difficulties.